Okay guys, welcome back to another walkthrough by MarineMax Danvers. Today we're hopping aboard a 2024 Sea Ray 250 SDX with an outboard. As you can see with the first look here, the outboard model actually comes with this adjustable bench, so you can move it fore and aft. You have storage underneath it in two different places, but it really gives you the best of both worlds here. So you can see huge aft area sun deck, so when you're at the beach, you're hanging out, just lounging on an anchor, you can go with that. Or once you're underway, you slide this back, flip the bench back, and it opens up this huge cockpit area. Really nice storage underneath both of those, like I was saying, but it's really the best of both worlds with the convenience of that outboard. As we move up kind of into the cockpit here, your first thing you're gonna notice is your doggy door. So you can put that in a closed position, as well as easy and convenience features like your battery switch right here at the exit way of the boat. This one does have the infinity woven vinyl carpeting system. So with this, it's not your typical carpet, but it's actually an infinity vinyl, they call it. So it doesn't hold water like your classic carpet will, and it's not gonna ruin as fast. All right, you have storage underneath the whole side here, as well as cup holders, a table mount, and a beautiful stone interior. You have a bimini top up above. If you're hanging out at the mooring and you want to turn everything back here, everybody's hanging out, enjoying some entertainment, you can pop that forward as well as the helm chair and actually make this an awesome space to entertain. Captain's quarters up here, fusion head unit here. You have all your rocker switches and everything in the form of pilot style switches here. SIMRAD screen up top, chart plotter, GPS, fish finder, transducer, and all your engine information is going to be on there. Digital throttle and shift with the electric start and active trim. And then this is a really cool feature of the 250 SDX. You have this huge head compartment. So not only is it storage, but you can put cushions and everything all down there. So if the kids want to get out of the sun, you have young kids, stuff them down there with the iPad, let them get out of the sun, enjoy their afternoon. As you walk up to the front here, I'm going to let you run up there. You do have a bow ladder. You have two speakers and a couple cup holders, as well as chargers. Nice big bench so everybody can hang out there comfortably, as well as your igloo cooler. So you got one in the back of the boat and one up front. Passageway here flips over. You also have a windbreak door as well. Guys, this one's in stock. We're coming back. We got some boats in stock. So if you get any questions on this one or any other boats we have in stock in the entire MarineMax inventory, give us a call. 781-635-8684. Thanks guys, we'll see you soon.